Guidance on different types of cancer, Part 36. Cancer in children. Yesterday I had mentioned that even small kids from ages 1 to 2 years to ages 10 to 12 years are being diagnosed with cancer, and it is usually very complicated in nature. It makes us think, what sin must these poor souls have committed? And then we realize how deep the clutches of cancer have gone. Since around 40 to 50 years we have been eating food coming from sources that are artificial or unnatural. Like genetically engineered plants, seeds, cows, and then there are pesticides and other chemicals being sprayed on the crops. It is like we are poisoning the fertile land. We have polluted land, water, and also destroyed all those microorganisms which would be beneficial to us. So it is now evident that all the chemicals we have been ingesting, all the milk coming from genetically engineered cows that we have been drinking for the past 40 to 50 years has been affecting our bodies negatively, and we can see the effects. And now there are oncogenes, genes that have the potential to cause cancer, present in our bodies. It is said that every person has the potential to get cancer thrice in their lifetime. In most cases though, the person's immune system fights the cancerous cells and they do not get cancer, but if a person has their immunity compromised, they get cancer. Genes, the environment or the atmosphere around a person, and their own self-care are the major factors that determine whether they will get cancer or not. Unfortunately, fast food, junk food and addictions are an open invitation to cancer, there is no doubt about that. But when a 2-year-old kid is diagnosed with cancer, what could be the reason? There is no chance of fast food, junk food, or any addictions in this case. This only means that the cancer is in their blood, their genes. And if we want to change that, we need to make large-scale changes. When our society changes its ways by going back to natural farming and choosing natural over artificial, all these genetic issues we are suffering from will slowly decrease over time and finally stop. But our society is fast asleep and allopathy is not ready to wake us up. Unless and until we introspect and get to the root cause of all this and fix it, we are not going to get rid of cancer, nor will we be able to control it. The truth is there right before us, but unfortunately nobody is willing to look at it. It pains us especially when it happens to little kids. But even in their case, allopathy recommends chemotherapy, which is originally practiced on adults. In case of leukemia, a bone marrow transplant is recommended. But nobody asks, why do little kids get cancer in the first place? It is a tragedy. If we want to change this, we have to wake up and make it a priority to adopt a natural lifestyle, eat natural food. We are a part of nature and we would not be able to live by tampering with nature. We should always keep in mind that all living organisms, including us, are codependent.